The summary tool shows general information about the corpus, like document length, and here you can click on a document and then the reader will jump to that document and you will see the trends of the most frequent words in that document. If you go down, you can see vocabulary density, and again, if you click on the document, it jumps the reader and shows the trends. Average words per sentence, and down here you have most frequent words in the corpus. You click on this one, the word will be highlighted in the reader, and you can see the trend in the last document you selected. If you want to see the trends for the entire corpus, you click Reset in Trends, and you click on Governments under Summary again. Then a little further down you have distinctive words. If you click on this, it will jump to that point in the reader, and it will give you the context that this word appears in. Down here you can choose to see more distinctive words, and under Items you can choose the amount of items you want to see. Up here you have the Export button, where you can open the tool in a new tab. You can export an HTML code or reference, and you can export an image. Here you can switch to a different tool, and under Options you can add stop words. If you want more information about the tool, you can click on the question mark.